After listening to the wants and needs of the fabricators, Vibrant Performance has created the all-new HD alignment tool. This tool will be the first thing a fabricator will reach for when preparing to build a tube assembly that utilizes the Vibrant HD clamp connector. This stainless steel quick-release clamp allows you to position your HD weld ferrules prior to welding to ensure the optimum amount of gap is set, which will allow for the safest amount of motion that is available during operation. The HD alignment tool is suitable for use with all HD clamp weld ferrules, with laser-etched sizing on the tool for quick reference to use on the corresponding clamp setup. Designed to remove the guesswork out of the fabrication process, ferrule retainers align the HD ferrules in their designed position during fabrication. This helps ensure the clamps have their full range of motion during operation, eliminating questionable mock-ups in an attempt to space the ferrules accordingly. In addition, proper use of the alignment tool prevents the risk of damaging critical sealing surfaces in which the HD system relies on to seal effectively. The HD clamp, union sleeve, O-rings, and HD clamshell are not needed during the fabrication process and can be left protected in their box until everything is mocked up and welded fully using the HD alignment tool. Just like the Vibrant quick-release V-band clamps, you'll notice this tool has the same quick-latch T-bolt style design. This makes removing and installing the tool very easy, and the stainless steel thumb nut retainer allows for fine-tuned tightening. With the Vibrant Performance alignment tool, the HD clamp connector will perform as intended with proper alignment once installed. Proper alignment ensures that charge tubing is easy to install, easy to remove from the car, and most importantly, capable of running any level of leak-free boost through the charge system. Although this does make fabrication easier, it does not take the planning process out of the equation. A fabricator must plan their charge pipe routing to work with the motion of the engine, rather than resisting it. Clamps cannot be positioned where two ferrules see a shearing motion. The alignment tool allows a small amount of wiggle room between the flanges to help make fabricating easier, while still preventing any binding of the finished assembly. Now available for the full range of the HD clamp family, 2-inch to 5-inch sizes. If you're curious to what other products we have in our fabrication program, please be sure to find us at vibrantperformance.com. Check our other YouTube videos or follow us on any social platform.